Today we are going to make artichoke for the first time. So I've watched tons and tons of YouTube videos telling me how I can make these because I've never had this before. So let's get started. I heard you have to cut a piece. It's kind of hard. They say you don't need that much. Okay. Peel off these little small petals, they say are kind of no good. So we are left with this. I think I want to cut it one more time. Okay. So now we are going to cut all of, and then this part. They said cut this off. Oh my goodness. I had to put so much effort into this. Now I know I haven't tried this before. Goodness. This looks so... This is the worst. I'm going to clip these off. I'd rather clip these off with these scissors. Okay, now, so we have cut all of these pieces off, cut the bottom off, trimmed these little cactus looking pieces. So now I have a pot boiling, well steaming, and so I'm just going to put it in. And every time I see people eating this, hi guys, so now my artichoke is all cooked. And I got some butter here that I'm going to dip it with. And as you guys can hear in the background, my daughter is playing her TikTok videos. So let's see. I don't know. Let's try it out. It's my first time, guys. I don't know. I guess it's good. This is lemon butter. I always felt like this was going to be a lot of work for nothing. I feel like it kind of is, guys. It's all right. I mean, what did you expect? I didn't expect it to taste like candy or anything now. But this butter's pretty good that I made. Kudos to me for my first time. Tastes like beany, like tastes like it's hearty. I mean, I can see how people like these, you know. I mean, it's a lot. So we're left here with these little hairs. I'm just gonna take this butter knife and peel them back. Oh, I think I scraped some of the artichoke heart again. I'm not supposed to be doing that. I heard that is like the best part. So, trying my hardest to scrape and show you guys how I'm terribly scraping. This is really weird. To be honest, I don't know. This little heart right here is making me feel weird, guys. It's super weird. Okay. So now, as I was struggling with that, all the hairs. I guess they said all those hairs are what makes it an artichoke. Get it? You're gonna choke on the hairs. This is what it looks like after you peel all those hairs off. Looks really pretty. So I'm just gonna go on in and taste this. Dip it in my lemon butter sauce. Okay, guys, here goes nothing. It's pretty good. It tastes exactly like when you're biting the flesh out of these little petals. So it tastes like. It's pretty good. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what else you guys would want me to try, or if you guys like this video.